Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of array in C programming and it is part 11. So guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss how can we find out the transpose of a matrix. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the concept of transpose of a matrix. So guys, suppose we have a matrix A of 3 cross 3 and the numbers in green are values and indexes are in parentheses and are black. So guys, now we want to find out the transpose of this matrix A, and we can do this by exchanging the rows with columns and column with rows as we did it in this slide. So what is the concept behind it? So guys, if we exchange the value of A01 with value of A10 and the value of A02 with value of A2 of 0 and the value of A1 of 2 with value of A2 of 1, then we can find out the transpose of this matrix A, and it will be like this. So guys, this is the transpose of this matrix A because here it is the row and now in this matrix it is the column. It is the row and here it is the column. Here it is the row and it is the column. So guys, now let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler. So guys, now in this program we will learn how can we find out the transpose of a matrix. So I have declared a matrix A of 3 cross 3 and I am using I and j for loops, and I am also using t to perform swapping between values of matrix A. After that, I am taking input from the user for the matrix A with the help of this scanf function, and then I am printing each element from this matrix A by using this printf function. Now guys, we are going to perform swapping between values. So to perform swapping, we need to follow these steps. So initially, when the value of I is 0, 0 less than 3, so this condition will be true. And now it will go to this j loop. So j will be I plus 1. So the value of j will be 1 and 1 less than 3. So this condition will be true. And now we are going to assign a of 0 of 1 because the value of j is 1 to t. So we have assigned the value of a of 0 of 1 to t, and then the value of a of 1 of 0 to a of 0 of 1, and then I am assigning t to a of 1 of 0. So basically in this iteration we are going to perform swapping between a of 0 of 1 with a of 1 of 0. Now j++ will be incremented, so the value of j will be 2 and 2 less than 3, so this condition will be true. So now a of 0 of 2 will be assigned to t, and then we are going to assign the value of a of 2 of 0 to a of 0 of 2, and then value of 2 will be assigned to a of 2 of 0. So basically in this step we are going to perform swapping between a of 0 of 2 with a of 2 of 0, and then j++ will be incremented, so the value of j will be 3, so 3 less than 3, so this condition will be false. Now control will come out from this j loop and I++ will be incremented, so the value of I will be 1 and 1 less than 3, so this condition will be true. Now it will come to this j loop, so j equals to I plus 1, so the value of j will be 2 and 2 less than 3, so this condition will be true. Now a of 1 of 2 will be assigned to t, and then the value of a of 2 of 1 will be assigned to a of 1 of 2, and then value of t will be assigned to a of 2 of 1. So now in this step we are performing swapping between the values of a of 1 of 2 with value of a of 2 of 1, and then I am going to print each element from this matrix A. And now guys, if I run this program, it is requesting to enter values, so let me enter the values in matrix A. So guys, first of all it is printing each element from the matrix A, and then it is printing each element from the transpose of matrix A. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.